What's up everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing the new Xbox Series X controller. All of them. Alright, so we'll start off by looking around the boxes. On the left we have the carbon black controllers box and then the robot white controllers box. And this is the shock blue controllers box. They're the same box, it's just different colored controller picture on the box. I'm just going to be quiet for a couple minutes and just unbox this and let you guys just see what's up. Also, here's a code for anyone who's watching. I'll be posting more codes in my Instagram, so check it out. It'll be in the description box below. The controller on the left is the old one, and the controller on the right is the new one. They both look very similar, but they're also pretty different. You've probably already spotted some of the changes, like the D-pad. Now it looks more like the D-pad on the Elite Series controller. It has less travel, it's more tactile, and just easier to press. The trigger buttons are also slightly different now. As you can see, it's not as glossy, but the newer controller has this added texture that gives a little more grip. The LB and the RB buttons are also a little different. It has less travel, which means easier to press. It doesn't feel as mushy as it did on the old controller. The newer controller also has the same kind of grip on the backside, which helps promote better grip compared to the older controller. Both of these controllers have no batteries in them, and I can't really tell the difference between these two in terms of weight. On the top, you can see they have different ports now. The older one used a micro USB port. Now the newer one uses a USB Type-C port. When I first held the newer controllers, I wasn't able to tell this, but after I started comparing it with the older controller, I could kind of feel the difference in size. The older one is slightly bigger. I can barely get my thumbs over the Xbox home button, but on the new one, as you can see, I can pretty much cover up the Xbox button. So the newer controller should be more universal to all kinds of hand sizes. My biggest gripe with the new controller has to be that it is not rechargeable. Technically, it is if I get a rechargeable battery, but it's not like the controller of the PS5 or the PS4. I just wish the controllers were rechargeable out of the box, but it's not. That new button you see with the arrow pointing up is the new share button. This, like the name says, will help you share your gameplays with your friends faster. Now here's the controller you were probably waiting for, the Shock Blue controller. This controller might look different compared to the other two. It might look more special, but it still feels just like the other two controllers. In terms of appearance, you can see for yourself. It's got an all blue XYAB button, unlike the other controllers which have, yellow, red, blue, and green buttons. This one is all blue. It's got a black D-pad that matched the black trigger buttons, and it's got a white back. Couple of different colors, a lot going on. It almost looks like a dolphin or a killer whale to me. I don't know, but it looks cool. I like it, but I do like the all black. What's the name of this? Charcoal black? I just forgot what the name was. This cosmic black. I like the cosmic black controller's color. So before I end this video, here's a side-by-side comparison between the different colored controllers, so you guys can pick which one you like and go get it at the store maybe. Anyways, here's some music and that.